Hey there, folks. It's the weekend. Let's go to CSSBattle.dev and do the daily target. And, oh, what do we got? Oh, this is great. All right. We have got some shapes. Shapes like crazy. Love it. Let's go blank template. We're going to use the paragraph tag. We could use nested, and use the body tag. But let's go ahead and do this. All right. So we might end up doing this in 4 elements. We might end up doing it in 2. We'll start with 1. So to start, we've got to set margins 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, and then height 120. These margins 55, 52, 3, 52, let's say. And then what are our choices for how to do this? I definitely like clip path for this. I like clip paths best when they've got 3 points or 4 points. This will have 6. So is it a mistake? It might be. 0, and then 200 pixels 0, and then 100%, 50%, and then 200 pixels 100%, and then 100 pixels 100%, and then 0, 50%. And that almost did it. So that's what we've got now. This is this is light. Probably needs to be 90 or perhaps 80, and 80 does it. Love it. 80, 80. Okay. So how do we do those shapes in particular? Do we want another element with a clip path since we did so well at that first clip path? Maybe. Okay, so let's do the second element. P plus P, and we'll say background on that guy is white. And if we set a negative margin here, minus 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 210. Then a new clip path will do it. And I think we know what the points are, don't we? I think we do. Polygon. And this one is also going to have 6, but 6 very different points, but similar. Interestingly, we have some points in common. And that's sort of jazzy fun. As a matter of fact, all right, let's not overthink it. I'm getting ahead of myself. 80 pixels, 0. Oh yeah, no, that's so yeah. What I was thinking is not going to work because we did 50%, 20 pixels. How about 40 pixels? 40 pixels, and then 200 pixels, 0. And you can already see that shape coming into view. 200 pixels, 100%. Okay, and then 50%, 60 pixels, I think. And then, so easy to forget our position. We want 80 pixels, 100%. That kind of did it. So this is too low, 5, okay. And then this is too high. So we need to go lower, 70, 75. Sure. It almost feels like cheating because my impulse is always to go with background gradients, right? And this is so clearly, you could do this with conic gradients, things at different angles. Other ways to get triangles would be 0 height elements with borders of different sizes. So that would be another clever way to do this stuff. Let's see. So to me, if we set this as a var x, or this set of values, and then we set this to dash dash x, not a good name, that's okay. We get that. And then just because I'm feeling cheeky, we'll make this that and set that to dash dash b, and that's white. And minify and unit replace and submit that. That's fun. That's a fun one. Super fun. Hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed this one a lot. I always like a nice surprise. And yeah, clip paths are very powerful. The more complicated the clip path, the harder it is to deal with. But in this case, 6 points apparently not too bad as long as they're symmetrical, right? Like, and the numbers are not too complicated. Lots of optimizations could be made here. You don't have to use var. You could use Q units probably and do very well with this one. I do like percentage units because they allow you to have no single space after the unit, right? So that's another aspect of that. Other ways to do this, lots of triangles with 3-pointed clip paths, and you could rotate them. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Be good to yourself, good to each other, and go make a webpage. Bye.